Thermal spring starts when mean daily temperature stays above 0 degrees of Celsius. We are getting really close. Any day now. Well, degree was something I had never seen before in real life. The carbon frame had a wide top tube. Degree is a trail bike with 27.5 wheels, 140mm of rear suspension and 150mm of front suspension. The fork is RockShox Pike and the rear shock is Monarch Plus RC3. The drivetrain was all SRAM's X01 but with 11-speed cassettes. This bike wasn't just for show. It was clearly visible that this Degree had seen plenty of trails. I have ridden many felt hardtails, but I have never ridden their full suspension bikes. Have you ridden a Degree? If you have, I would like to hear from you. Did you like it?